Hello everybody and welcome to I'm not really even sure what to call this, a BigCTV experiment? I guess you could call it that. My name is Chris. Today is a momentous day because I'm going to test my new toy and see how well it functions. That toy, of course, is my new GoPro camera that I got last week. Of course, the main reason why I wanted one of these, besides the fact that it's nice to have an extra camera, and especially one that's so portable and waterproof and all that good stuff, is I want to shoot water-based things. So like water parks, water rides. I mean, basically I can shoot stuff underwater, which is really cool. So I want to put that to the test by going into my apartment complex's pool. So we're going to see how this goes. It's going to be an experiment for sure. Yeah, so this is mostly just test footage to see how well it turns out. And if it turns out well, I'll probably do more. I mean, I'm going to do more. I've already invested in this camera, so you're going to see underwater stuff. But this is mostly just me trying to figure out how to use it and the best ways to use it. So hope you enjoy my random test footage of jumping into a pool and swimming underwater. Should be fun. Alright, so I am walking out of my complex now. I'm actually going to do laundry. The pool's right next to it, so this is kind of a test to see how good quality the video and the audio is. I'm using the chest mount on this thing because I figure if I'm jumping into a pool, that's probably the best use of it. So we're going to see how that goes. But I have a whole bunch of different mounts that I can use, so if there's one that works better, I will discover that. So I'm going to go do laundry. That's not exciting, so I'm not going to make you watch that, but I will update you on what goes on when we get to the pool. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so now I'm going to the pool. You have to have a special key to open it. So let's do that. Got in. Oddly enough, this is actually the first time I've ever gone in here. And I've lived here for like 4 years, so kind of crazy. Okay. Well, it's pretty nice actually. 8 foot. This is gonna be fun. I'm excited. Okay. First things first. As I usually do with a pool, I want to check how deep it is, or not the deep, how warm or cold it is. It's warm. It's very warm. So that works. All right. For the jump. 1, 2, 3. Well, there you go. That was fun. I don't know how that turned out, but I enjoyed it. It's been a while since I've done one of those kinds of jumps, so pretty cool. Let's do some more underwater tests. See how that goes. So back under. Okay, there we go. Some intense underwater GoPro cam action in 4K. Hope you enjoyed that. I did. I think it was cool. Might do a jump it a little bit, but that's it for now. Okay, I'm gonna do one more jump. This time you're gonna watch me go under. This should be fun. You ready? I know I am. go. Hope you enjoyed that BigCTV adventure where I tested my GoPro. Hopefully the footage turns out well. I'll find out in a few minutes when I edit it. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time on BigCTV Adventures. Underwater time.